In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on AMP future while talking about AMP cost estimate for 2023 and then some, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. If it's not too much trouble, generally remember that you ought to generally think about this and any kind of other expectation while considering other factors, since anticipating anything truly is an unpleasant undertaking. Generally, not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like AMP, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Presently, we should head into it, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Before we dive sort of profound into the AMP value expectation and answer questions in the event that AMP for the most part is a very wise speculation or not. For what reason will AMP in a real sense succeed or in every practical sense fall flat, or for what reason will AMP value rise or drop? We should rapidly basically toss a look at what really is AMP and its to-date history, which explicitly is very critical. What basically is AMP crypto in an every practical sense, significant way? AMP truly is a type of digital money that goes about as guarantee, which basically is genuinely huge. The cryptographic money sort of is right now utilized in this job to help the Flexa organization, or so they sort of thought. That by and large means it can in every practical sense be utilized to explicitly cover any monetary exchanges that most certainly turn out badly assuming the need emerges, as opposed to prevalent thinking. At present, the crypto truly is banded together with lovely a few administrations, sort of like Flexa, CoinGecko, Gemini, Sushi, and Uniswap in an unpretentious way. It's likewise in every practical sense worth bringing up that there fundamentally is a decent worth of AMP available for use to shield it from unpredictability in an unpretentious manner. In fact, Flexa by and large is an installment network that permits clients to especially spend Bitcoin and essentially other digital currencies at retailers especially like Nordstrom, Barnes and Aristocrats and Lowe's, or so they in a real sense thought. Flexa installment in a real sense is acknowledged in north of 40,000 stores in the US and Canada, which basically is very huge. Utilizing Flexa, you can especially make moment and misrepresentation resistant installment to retailers without the need to really reveal essentially delicate individual data. So Flexa installment for the most part is acknowledged in north of 40,000 stores in the US and Canada in a genuinely large manner. As a Flexa client, sort of your spending limit explicitly is all things considered covered at $US 250 each week, which resets to $0 each Friday, exhibiting that MP truly is a type of digital currency that goes about as sort of guarantee in an unpretentious manner. AMP really is the genuinely token that in every practical sense makes Flexa's moment installment authorizations conceivable. Kind of additional appearance how before we dig commonly profound into the AMP value expectation and answer questions assuming AMP most certainly is an excellent speculation or not. For what reason will AMP succeed or in a real sense fizzle, or for what reason will AMP value rise or drop? We should rapidly, all things considered, toss a look at what especially is AMP in its to-date history, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. Consider AMP publicly supported commonly security i.e. in a by and large huge manner, security to decentralize installment risk. So the cryptographic money basically is as of now utilized in this job to help the Flexa organization, or so they sort of thought. As an AMP holder you can stake AMP tokens which will commonly be utilized to ensure installment exchanges in various monetary forms, showing how Flexa for the most part is an installment network that permits clients to spend Bitcoin and certainly other digital currencies at retailers by and large like Nordstrom, Barnes and Aristocrats and Lowe's, or so they really thought. AMP value expectation for the really next 10 days in an unobtrusive manner. The sort of entire crypto world sort of is on an edge of a very complete breakdown, exhibiting how that most certainly implies it can explicitly be utilized to truly cover any monetary exchanges that in every practical sense turn out badly on the off chance that the need emerges amazingly. Bitcoin generally has fallen 75% from its record-breaking most certainly high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion and US took care of rate climbs, or so they explicitly thought. At the point when sort of add the latest implosions of tremendous industry players into the situation, the horizon fundamentally is cloudy and there will in every way that really matters be genuinely more blood in the city of the crypto town, which in every way that really matters is very critical. Financial backers especially are selling unsafe resources and moving into considerably more sort of stable business sectors in an especially significant manner. Crypto certainly is as yet seen as an exceptionally unsafe truly play and subsequently the auction, or so they thought. Our algo still sees us truly green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. This is in every practical sense reflected in our 2023 expectations, exhibiting that MP value expectation for the very next 10 days, or so they by and large thought. At the present time, Bitcoin for the most part needs to by and large find a base before we can move the other way and really alter the course in an exceptionally significant manner. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, Altcoins will explicitly begin to generally do likewise. We really have seen this situation many truly times in the far-off and sort of later history, showing that the digital money in every practical sense is right now utilized in this job to help the Flexa organization, which fundamentally is very huge. Our cost expectation model most certainly is negative for the in every way that really matters. Next 90 days with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. Showing the way that utilizing Flex, you can basically make moment and extortion-resistant installment to retailers without the need to in a real sense unveil fundamentally delicate by and large private data. So Flexa installment basically is acknowledged in north of 40,000 stores in the US and Canada, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. We really expect whales and genuinely other for the most part greater players in the market to by and large wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike, which explicitly shows that we explicitly expect whales and by and large other greater players in the market to for the most part wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a run-of-the-mill and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and crucial evaluation of each undertaking in an unobtrusive manner. Essentials that we most certainly assess sort of our group: tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative fundamentally potential, and a few extremely other truly restrictive variables created in our crypto lab, which sort of shows that sort of consider AMP publicly supported essentially security in an unobtrusive manner. 2023 0510 plus 6.76% $0 0036 2023 05 110.92% $0 0034 2023 05 12 plus 1.32% $0 0034 2023 05 13 plus 0.47% $0 0034 2023 05 14 plus 2.53% $0 0035 2023 05 150.91% $0 0034 2023 05 164.04% $0 0032 2023 05 17 plus 3.55% $0 0035 2023 05 185.20% $0 0032 2023 05 19 plus 1.84% $0 0034 2023 05 20 plus 1.45% $0 value expectation 2023. Our forecast model sees a transitory change to a bear market toward the start of 2023. Proceeding, we move on to one more advantage in Q3 and Q4 of 2023, which is very huge. 2023 Jun 21.88% $0 0026 2023 Jul 37.00% $0 0021 2023 Og 18.15%